Another option for using web fonts in your web pages is to embed them. The site that I have open right now is Font Squirrel, and they have 100% free commercial use fonts. They have a list here that you can download. I'm going to try to pick one for our main header, so I'm going to pick a display font. And I'm going to download this Bulby one. Once downloaded, I'm going to jump over to my site and I'm going to go into the assets and create a fonts folder. And then within that fonts folder, I'm going to drag the new font that I have downloaded. Within this folder, there are two file types and a license. Once this is in place, I'm going to go back to the web browser and go to another page that I've opened in Font Squirrel. It's called the Web Font Generator, and this is going to create the CSS styles for you. You could write them on your own, but they aren't easy to remember, and it's just easier to have it be optimally created by Font Squirrel. So I'm going to browse for the font and open that up. In this case, I'm going to use Optimal, and I'm going to say I have the rights for web embedding, and I'm going to download the kit. And then once that's downloaded, I'm going to come back over to my website, and I'm going to copy over all of the fonts that it's downloaded for me. Oops, those are supposed to be inside this directory here. And then it also gives you a style sheet, which I'm going to open right now. And this has the style for that font face. So I'm going to grab that and put it in our main CSS. I'm going to add this to the top so that any of these classes down below can take advantage of it. Save. And then I'm going to have to change the paths for all of these, since it's different from what we had downloaded from Font Squirrel. So I'm going to go up a directory and then go into the fonts directory. And then if we hop back over and take a look at this, we had a Bulby1 directory. So let's copy that, paste that here. And let's change the URL for each one of these so that they're pointing to the correct font file. And we'll save that. And then we're going to use this font family now anywhere that we choose to use this font. I'm going to remove this H1, and I'm going to make the H1 this font instead of the fauna. Now if we come back over to a browser, our font should be updated. And as you can see, here's the embedded font, and here's the one that's being pulled from Google Web Fonts, and this is our default Arial font for the body.